Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a cleaning video, and this was filmed spur of the moment. It wasn't really planned out, so you'll see that I am just hair up, makeup off. Was not planning on filming this day, but we were gonna have some friends over, and so I got the whole house picked up and cleaned up, and I was like, why not turn on the camera and let's make some content for the viewers. So thank you for being here. Pardon my voice, I am getting over having a cold. But before we get into this cleaning video, I want to tell you guys about our favorite meal delivery service, HelloFresh. You guys hear me talk about them all the time, so thank you HelloFresh for sponsoring this video today. HelloFresh is actually America's #1 meal kit, and they make cooking at home fun, easy, and affordable. They have more 5-star recipes than any other meal kit, so you know you're going to get something good every single time. HelloFresh's pre-portioned ingredients means there's less prep for you and less food waste. I love how everything just comes in the bag ready to go for you to prep, whip together into a delicious meal. HelloFresh saves me so much time, you guys. They cut out the stressful meal planning and the prepping so you can enjoy cooking and get dinner on the table in just about 30 minutes or even 20 minutes with their quick recipe options. Another thing that I really love is that you can easily change your delivery days and your food preferences. You can skip a week whenever you need to. Very customizable, and everything is always so good. Every time we get our weekly delivery of HelloFresh, there's always amazing recipes. I don't think we've ever had one in the last 2 years that we didn't like. They're always so good. HelloFresh is now from $5.66 per serving, and they're offering my subscribers a sweet discount. Just head over to HelloFresh.com, use the code KasperFresh10 to get 10 free meals, including shipping. I will have all the information linked down below for you guys. You're gonna love it. So now that you guys have seen our favorite way to make dinner, let's go ahead and get started cleaning up the house. I'm probably not going to talk too much just because my voice is kind of on the struggle bus right now, but I will pop on here and there if I need to chat with you guys. But basically, we are just wiping down surfaces, disinfecting some things today. I am going to be vacuuming the whole house and bleaching the floors. I like to do that like once a month. I use other cleaners to clean the floors regularly, like my Bona mop and stuff, but I'm getting out my spin mop today and I'm going to bleach the floors. And like I said in the beginning, we had some friends coming over this evening, and so I just wanted to get the house nice and cleaned and picked up. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and let the music play and get this house clean.
Cards on the table, your turn to play. We can't turn back now, we know how this will go. It's so sad that I'm leaving, I just don't see no other way. And it seems like you feel the same. Could've had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do, yeah, you know that I won't do that. When you're saying those things to me, keep on making me misbehave. I don't want you. When you're making me feel this way, like I'm the one to blame. Nah, bringing it all up, it's time to get out. Everything's different, I know how this will go. I'm so sorry for leaving, I can't even believe it. Maybe we'll meet again. Could've had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do, yeah, you know that I won't do that. When you're saying those things to me, keep on making me misbehave. I don't want you. When you're making me feel this way, like I'm the one to blame. Nah, yeah, yeah. Saying bad things to me, saying bad things to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. say that I'm right and you were wrong this time. Yeah. Or maybe just leave me alone. Could've had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do, you know that I won't do that. When you're saying those things to me, keep on making me misbehave. I don't want you. When you're making me feel this way, like I'm the one to blame. Nah.
I'm just using lemon Lysol to wipe everything down today, and I'm also using just like the regular spray Lysol to spray on like door handles and disinfect some things like that too.
Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart. Casting dice and roulettes. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down in the rain, all things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. We're crashing down in the rain, our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high we go. A game with no winners. We keep pushing more and more. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know.
You guys can see Donnie's out in the garage working on his truck, and actually the kids were all just kind of having some quiet chill time watching movies while I was getting the house cleaned up.
All things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. We're crashing down in a flame. Our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high we go. A game with no winners. We keep pushing more and more. Crashing down in an aeroplane. All things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Crashing down in an aeroplane. Our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder.
You say we had a bad romance.
I did want to mention to you guys, I picked up this spray away glass cleaner at Home Depot, and I really like it. It works really, really well. I don't know if they carry it at other stores. I've never really looked, but I saw it when we were there when I was grabbing some cleaning supplies, and I really like it, so I wanted to tell you guys that.
Looking like you want me right now, but just like lightning, you're gone. Yeah, you're gone. You're waiting around to go out with somebody. Anyone but me. You act like you want me, then suddenly drop me. For anyone but me. Anyone but me. Oh.
now that I'm done picking up and wiping everything down, I'm going through and vacuuming all the floors, the rugs, and the hard floors so I can get ready to mop the whole house.
Yeah, you draw me, yeah. Waiting around to go out with somebody. Anyone but me. You act like you want me, then suddenly drop me. For anyone but me. For anyone but me. Oh. Anyone but me. For anyone but me.
Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did wrong, then ask you to come over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't. And I complain and dismiss it, then I keep on reminiscing. I know, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad for business. Not good with consequence. I find myself back again, crying on your shoulder. No, it's not good for me, but I still want your body. So dumb, but it's not over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't. And I complain and dismiss it, then I keep on reminiscing. I know, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen. And I should change, shouldn't need you, but I wake up and I miss you. Baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad.
All right, so now I'm just filling up my spin mop bucket with hot water and a splash of bleach. Not enough to like ruin my rugs because you can tell I'm mopping right next to my rugs. It's not enough bleach to like bleach things, but it's gonna clean the floors if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna go through and mop my floors. I do have my spin mop linked in my Amazon shop. I love this thing. I have a Bona mop, I have a Shark steam mop, and then I also have this spin mop, and I love them all. So I use them all for different things. The Bona is like a quick run through the house, you know, just to like clean up dog paw prints or whatever. The steam mop I like to use sometimes, but the cord is really short, so I don't know. I just like to switch it up sometimes. But this spin mop, you can put your really hot water in there. It has removable heads so you can wash them, and I just feel like you can really, really scrub your floors with this, so I like to use this from time to time as well.
We stumble and we fall back on our feet from the first step that we take. It's always something, there's always something in the way, million excuses to take. But once you get there, it'll be worth that little while. It's better to try and fall than not to try at all. She might feel the same, get out there, get your shit together. Then you can say at least I've tried. With the first step, move on up, don't let it slip. You're the one who writes your script. We stumble and we fall back on our feet from the first step that we take. 100 feet away, I've never been closer. The daydream every day as I'm getting older. With the first step, move on up, don't let it slip.
So while I was finishing up mopping, you can see my beautiful mother-in-law coming in the door. She stopped by for a visit for a little bit. So I'm just going to quickly finish up mopping the rest of the house. I just have to do this hallway and then my bedroom and my bathroom. But my camera battery actually died right as I was starting to work on my bedroom, and my mother-in-law was here to visit. So I went ahead and wrapped up this video and just called it quits right there. I did finish mopping, but I don't have footage of it for you guys. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this video and got a little motivation to get your house all cleaned up. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. If you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe. So just hit that red subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And be sure to leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoy cleaning videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I'ma get closer to you.